Hey, Basti, you remember when we were playing crazy and then you crashed into that wall and we were all in there together and then now we're here? See, that's why we're in the back. That's why we're in the back rooms. We no clipped into the back rooms because you were driving into because you drove into a mountain. Escape the maze.
Don't scare everyone. Why is it so dark?
It's okay.
I don't like dark things. It's a jump scare everyone.
Hurry up!
Wait, let me check the jump scares are more alive. But it costs so much to spawn. How much? Where do we? It's so dark.
Push.
Why? Wait, there's a plank. There's a plank. Okay. Finally!
What is
Where's
this?
the bathroom guy? That's the
Hey, Zinka! We found you. Where am I? What is this place?
Which made me fall?
Bro! Guys, let me speak to that guy. He might have something. Brandon?
How did Kirby float? We keep floating.
Carry us! Carry us to victory!
No, too heavy.
Come on here, I'll jump! I'll jump! Brandon! Brandon, you made Basti fall! Bro, you keep on falling! Ah! Ah!
I don't know how much I know walking. Yeah, I know this part. It's like the thing. There's like green light of slipper phone. Who moved me? Not me, that was Kirby. Kirby, I swear. Kirby, why did you move?
Guys, thank you for dragging me. Thank you for dragging me.
Why do you look like that?
Thank you for dragging me, guys.
Why do you look like that?
Guys, please continue dragging me. Thank you for dragging me. Ooh, is that a potato? Get Brandon! Oh my god. Yes, 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 Brandon! No! You guys killed me. You guys killed me twice.
Bro, we have to kill someone.
Well, why me?
Same.
Yes, I love having the bandage from Dead Rails. Yo, Brandon, I love having the bandage from Dead Rails. I love having the bandage from Dead Rails.
Where's Basti?
I like floating.
I legit got the bandage from Dead Rails. Finally I can revive myself.
Level 6.
Arcade, how?
Familiar addict.
Find the arcade. Wait, I like this.
Here, it's this one. It's this one.
Oh, it's this one.
Well, let me play it. Let me play it.
I played that.
I'm the best at arcade. Brandon was pulling me away from it.
Yo, what the heck? Start. Let me start.
What is start?
Oh.
Okay.
That looks scary.
What do I do?
Okay, nanonood ka pala. Dito ba?
This game's easy. Bro, this game's so easy.
How do you move?
You tap your screen.
Oh my god.
Same, but I'll finish it. Do I get a reward? Yo, come here.
I mean,
I beat the arcade. Oh, nah.
Oh. Thank you for the biscuit.
Hey, guys, go near me.
let me do this.
Biscuit for the biscuit.
Bro, guys, let me jump.
Thank you for dragging me. Now I can touch up the glasses real.
Get up here.
Uy, reload.
No.
Why do you look like that?
Oh my, Basti. I need to pull Basti.
You lost it.
What?
Brandon.
You can't kill me. You can't kill me. 'Cause I am him.
I got revive.
You're welcome.
I am him. Let's go.
Hey, Brandon, you're welcome.
You done it so slow.
It's Basti. He's making me pull him. Hey, Brandon, you're welcome for reviving you using the bandage from Dead Rails.
Okay, but then was no good pa ako.
Oh no, the drink from the drill.
Kahit sa iba pa mo, ano was, interest ko po yun.
Go! Stop!
Go, go.
Basti!
Yung mapunta na eh.
Basti, you killed me. Bro got ran over twice. Bro got ran over twice. Bro got ran over 3 times. Hi,
Right behind the block.
run! Run! Uh-oh. Basti! Basti, it says hide. Hide behind rocks, flowers, and pillars. So why were you trying to hide in a flower? Come here. Okay, risk it for the biscuit.
Brandon, you're dead.
I bring them in. Come here, come here.
Kuya, magkano?
This is the flowers are currently the safest spot.
Reload yan, bro.
Hide. Brandon! Forgive me, Lisa. What does it say? Forgive me?
Lisa. Lisa from Elsa?
Ooh! Nah, bro, you literally died. We got a magic sword. Gaily!
If you come out, I'll kill you.
Hey, Brandon, do you have a sword? Let Brandon get a sword. Let Brandon get a sword.
Yes, I see it.
Raw! I can't. I don't have a bandage from Dead Rails. No, you should get away. You're literally the lowest. Ah! Wait, bring me there. I can attack him with my sword. We're dead warriors. I took even more damage. Imagine Brandon dies again. You're dead, Smiley. Who died again?
Who died?
Brandon.
Who's the cool dog then? And the tasting chapter 2.
We're in chapter 2. Okay, this will be the end of the first part.
Simon said